Hello everyone. Today I thought that it's better to start making this tutorial with invoice recording. So I thought I'll start with this video and then you, my friend, will make a comment if I should proceed. Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna draw the drawing that you saw. So what we'll be starting with is start with the baseline, the horizontal line, which is 140, and then we'll draw a vertical line on the left, which is 35. Let's draw it, this line, vertical line, which is 35. From there, and then we'll go to the right, which is 20. Okay, and then move it to the top, which is 30. So make 30 units, and then we'll go to the right also, which is 20, and then move down, which is 30, and then we'll have to draw the vertical left, horizontal on the left, taking the reference from the bottom at the midpoint, then that one. From there, then we'll have to select this line on the top and then mirror them. This one, that one, the vertical one, the horizontal one, and the vertical one, only those. Then mirror from the midpoint. Okay, that's good. So next we'll have to draw the small line at this line, 10 millimeter, and then offset this line to 30 both sides. Offset it 30 units. Okay, select this one, left 30 and left and right 30, and then we have to connect these left and right lines with the horizontal line, and then have to make a trimming. So we'll trim this, click the boundary of trimming, and then enter, trim this one, and then delete the center one, erase it, select it, erase it. Okay, so the next thing is to join them. Let's join them. For extrusion, join, and then visual style to northwest, extrude it to 70 as per the drawing. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we'll have to rotate it. Click the 3D rotation tool. It's look like a compass. So click this compass, click your drawing, select the axis. This is axis, make it at 90-degree rotation. Okay, that's it. So we'll have to create one circle and then subtract it. So we'll first need to select the view and set the view. Click the left view. Now click the left view, this one, and then visual style, UCS, set your UCS, and then select this circle. You need to select this circle, which is a radius circle, so make it 20. Yes, and then extrude it to the other end. Okay, extrude it to the other end. Then after extruding it, you need to subtract. Select the base file, enter, select the other file, enter, done. So the next thing, and then we need to create small circles, which we then have to create the holes. So set your visual style, and then let's try it. So draw this horizontal line from here. Just make sure that you get the midpoint to mix things up. Okay, that one. And then the next thing, we need to draw the cross section, cross lines, this line, and also draw at the left. Yeah, this one. Okay, after this one, we need to mirror it, but let's try if it's the plane will be there for mirroring. Click this one, find the mirror plane. No, we cannot, because our UCS is not at that point. So move your UCS at the center, at the drawing plane, this one, make it the XY plane. So it's ready. So let's mirror it again. Click this line. Okay, I select the mirror plane from there and there. Yes, yeah, it's good. So we need to switch to top and then make this intersection draw circles, each of 10 units. So use center diameter circle, 10 units there. No, okay, 10 units here, 10, enter, and then copy them. Use this command, copy, select, enter, as the midpoint, okay, move it here and there, enter, you are done. So visual style, set it to northwest isometry and extrude all the circles to the downward. Okay, downward, okay, pull it downward and then subtract. Click the base model, click the other cylinders, all of them, one by one, this one and the last one, enter. We are done. So visual style to realistic or shade of gray. This is our drawing. So thank you. Just I'm sure that you will be happy seeing this. Put your comment over there and you can suggest which drawing should I make next. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I'm planning to create more videos, and if you need to know how to create